The three judgments sitting at the High Court directed all parties involved in the consolidated petitions to ensure they file and serve their responses and legal authorities within the set timelines. The directions were issued during a mention of the matter in Nairobi. The petitions filed by City Lawyer Nelson Harvey, Dari Limited and Senior Counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi are seeking the removal of 7 Supreme Court judges, including the Chief Justice and the President of the Supreme Court, Martha Koome, and her Deputy Philomena Mwilu.
These orders have already been here for a while. There is no need for us to hear the applications. Yes. We need to hear the petitions.
The petitioners allege gross misconduct, violation of the Constitution, lack of public confidence in the judges' conduct. Justice Bahati Mwamuye, Lawrence Mugambi and Charles Kairuki also warned that any party failing to comply with the directions may risk having their filings disregarded or the case determined without their input.
All the parties are required to submit their hard copies of their pleadings by close of business on 21st of May 2025.
Elsewhere, the Employment and Labour Relation Court in Eldoret has issued temporary orders halting Moi University's planned redundancy of over 900 staff members. The decision follows a legal challenge filed by the university's academic staff union, which claims the process is flawed and goes against prior court instructions. Justice Maureen Onyango delivered the ruling suspending all redundancy notices issued by Moi University until the matter is heard and determined. The court scheduled a mention of the case for May 28, 2025 to provide further directions. And in the Anti-Corruption Court, Magistrate Eunice Nyutu acquitted former Busia County Governor Sospeter Ojaamong and his executive in a graft case involving 8 million shillings. The magistrate ruled that the prosecution failed to provide sufficient evidence, with none of the 20 witnesses confirming that any money was lost. The court found that proper procurement procedures were followed in awarding a tender for a solid waste management feasibility study, and the defense proved that the funds were budgeted for in the 2013-2014 financial year. The court ordered the release of all bonds and securities deposited by the accused.
So having said all that and having analyzed the evidence as above, I find that the prosecution failed to prove all the charges against the accused persons pursuant to Section 215 of the Criminal Procedure Code, and I acquit them accordingly.
Litua Debra for Easy Friday.